Hey, what's good, everyone? Today, we're coming back again, but today, I'm going to be talking you guys through the double roundhouse kick. So previously, we just did the regular roundhouse kick, which is a singular kick. We're going to add on to that today. So instead of just one kick, we're going to hold this kick in the air and switch our legs just like that. So we're going to break this down into a few easy steps. Step number one, just like the roundhouse kick, we're going to swing our hips and pivot our foot. One. The only difference is that after we kick, we're holding this foot in the air. And from there, we're going to hold it in the air and just jump with your left leg and twist your body. Like I said, Taekwondo is all about the hips, kicking with your hips instead of just your legs. So I'm going to break it down to you in real speed. We're going to bounce and bang, just like that. I'm going to show you a little bit slower. One, and switch. Two. Just like that. And this is a very unique kick when it comes to combinations that we'll be talking about later on. And once again, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe.